slow down?
Yeah.
It's too fast.
Yeah. Okay, you can go fast.
Everybody wave. Oh, that's so cute.
Are you okay?
Ah, come on, man.
What?
This guy is turning his lorry here.
What does that mean? Top layer.
What is top layer? What's wrong with you?
Top layer is like when people would be in school.
Oh.
I don't know who told me that. And they go to boarding school and they're running to the dining hall so they can get the top layer of food.
Oh. Okay, so the top layer of food is good.
Yeah, it's like the best.
It's the freshest or what?
Yeah,
The hottest. That's one that was put in the pot.
yeah.
So we don't have to pay.
If you walk, you don't have to pay.
Yeah, if you
Or
just
you don't have a car to park.
If you played, you have to pay.
no.
Oh.
I was personally shocked that Nancy was able to walk that way. Personally, I was
That's
shocked.
so crazy. I didn't even realize what you
Why are you
said.
roasting Nancy?
I'm just saying a personal opinion.
Naje?
You're giving me a coupon, which will go deliver to Burger King.
Hey!
It's worth.
It's worth how much?
It's worth.
Labda mnipatie bure lakini ya kununua na naenda kuadvertisia.
Okay.
So this is mine, I can get a burger and whatever later.
There is a girl.
That's interesting.
Burger.
Did you do this? Like, it's so interesting. Men are each other's biggest fans. I'm telling you. Like,
What if it's managed by the same manager?
Oh. Then I go and walk in
My
another.
boy,
Bad.
how are you?
Good.
You're good?
suddenly the love.
You are tickled as well.
I know.
You want to be tickled, but you don't tickle others.
I'll post it, but you'll do it another time.
I'll post it, but I have to edit 2 videos
Edit 2 videos, I think.
before this one.
Oh, so you have enough footage to put a video today?
I have a Uganda video that needs to be finished editing. I have a trying Uganda snacks video that needs to be edited.
That makes sense.
You can drive without a number plate?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, if you're rich enough.
What?
Yeah, that's cool. It will just be part of your kit.
Don't even drive a car.
Me, I do.
You don't know how to drive, huh?
No.
Should I drive this car?
No.
Oh.
Really?
I'm actually really scared.
Why?
But I'm gonna go to driving school.
I'll let you drive it.
No. You are having fun. So sometimes you just drive.
Yeah. Like sometimes I have nowhere to go, but I just put on my Crocs, I enter the car and I just drive. I go where the car takes me.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you do the same thing?
Wouldn't I? Maybe. If I knew, yeah, maybe if I knew how to drive. Just if I knew how to drive, I wouldn't use like. Do you still use Ubers?
Not really. Maybe at night when I go out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I should have even stayed for 2 hours.
What time do you actually come back home?
11.
Aye.
I know, right? Like, that's so early.
Really?
But he said that if, and then I said, like, what if there's a birthday or something? Then he said, those are exceptions. So I was like, oh.
A birthday is an exception.
Yeah.
Me,
like,
there was never any exception for me.
like there's an exception.
You girls are living a nice life here.
Yeah, but I'm really outside anyway, so I think that's why.
You haven't been home for a long time. okay.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. A bug of a fact this one.
You what?
I forgot my water.
Forgot your water?
Yeah. Yeah.
I buy you some water.
Yes, buy a soda instead of water. Water is bad for our health.
What is bad for you? Not water.
Water.
Not soda.
Soda is healthy.
No, it's not. I'll buy you one soda, you all share.
Okay.
Want to show that?
Huh?
Buka. Okay,
Buka?
Uncle Father.
Ah,
Uncle Father.
yes, yes.
What you buy?
Yes.
Look. 4 sodas.
4 sodas.
That's 5. So you did 5.
Oh yeah. 5
Like
sodas.
4 is like this.
5 sodas.
4 is like this.
Yeah,
Don't you think it's
5
crazy that
sodas
they call
wash.
Daddy Guka and we're not Kikuyu?
Yeah.
That shows you.
We can
Like when my friend asked me
read.
your niece and nephew called your dad, and I said Guka, they were so shocked.
Yeah, Kikuyu is deeply entrenched into Kenyan society.
Look at that house.
Even Shosho is Kikuyu, but
Yeah.
people say Shosho. They also call mom Shosho, no?
No, nyanya.
Nyanya.
At least that's Kiswahili.
Nyanya, so they should call dad what? Babu. Babu.
Mommy said Kwara.
Kora is Luo.
Yeah.
But they're not fully Luo, they're also Luo.
Yeah, but at least they're Luo. I think Kikuyu, there's no Kikuyu.
Kikuyu is universal in Kenya.
I guess we're all Kikuyu.
Atere,
Yeah, that's crazy.
Neke money.
And Kikuyus probably don't realize how
Stop.
deeply
Influential there.
their
God,
culture
you
is.
trouble my mom.
You think?
For sure.
They just think it's another day.
I think mommy, you disturbing me.
down.
Yeah.
It's too fast.
Yeah. Okay, you can go first.
Now I can go fast.